Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best brad nailer that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have PorterCable 20 volts max cordless brad nailer kit. This cordless brad nailer is battery powered, eliminating the need for a compressor, hose, or expensive gas cartridges. The PorterCable PCC790LA 20 volts max lithium 18GA brad nailer kit is 100% battery powered, which eliminates need for compressor, hose or costly gas cartridges. The special motor design provides consistent firing power into various materials and climate conditions. This nailer features multiple tool-free settings to provide increased productivity and user safety. The unit's lightweight and optimal center of gravity provide user comfort in multiple positions, reducing user fatigue. It also offers multi-functional dual LED lights to light up your workspace and indicate errors. Fastener length capacity of 5/8, 2 inches, magazine capacity of 100, with sequential firing mode and trigger lock. Includes 1 battery, and 1 charger. Moving on at number 4, we have DEWALT DWFP 12231 Pneumatic 2-inch brad nailer kit. Whatever your trim carpentry needs, there's no better ally than the best brad nailer. When you're fixing pieces of wood together, when you're working with moldings, doors, or casings, a brad nailer transforms and also speeds up an otherwise tedious job. The new DEWALT DWFP 12231 18-gauge, 2-inch brad nailer kit is an excellent tool with many enticing qualities. It features a long-life maintenance-free motor to keep from staining the work surface. The magnesium body delivers a strong and lightweight design. It also features a tool-free depth of drive adjustment with detents for proper setting of nail heads, along with a tool-free jam release mechanism for easy nail removal. The rear exhaust helps to keep contaminants away from work. This unit is made to drive 18-gauge nails from 5/8 to 2 inches in length, with a sequential style trigger, and 100 nail magazine capacity. This unit has a removable non-marring nose tip with on-tool storage, and an integrated rubber grip for improved comfort and anti-slip grip. It also has an adjustable belt hook which allows the tool to be kept near the user. This kit also includes carrying case and owner's manual. Refer instruction manual before use. A compressor is required and not included. At number 3, we have WEN 61720 3/4 inch to 2-inch brad nailer. Whether you enjoy a bit of home DIY or you're a keen woodworker, you're sure to encounter projects where there are simply too many nails needed to work efficiently with a hammer. If you invest in the WEN 61720 18-gauge brad nailer, you can sidestep that headache completely and get the job done quick smart without sacrificing accuracy or quality. First up in our brad nailer reviews, take a glimpse at the main features before we double down on what makes this nimble little nail gun well worth a place on any shortlist. The WEN 18-gauge brad nailer effortlessly shoots brads anywhere from 3/4 to 2 inches in size. With a lightweight 3-pound aluminum body and a comfortable rubber grip handle, this tool is the perfect companion for any job site. Just plug in your favorite air compressor and start nailing. The WEN brad nailer operates at anywhere from 60 to 100 psi with a 1/4 inch NPT air inlet fitting. The spacious magazine carries up to 100 brads, while the quick-release design makes jam clearing a breeze. The kit includes oil, adjustment wrenches and a custom carrying case for convenient storage between jobs. And it wouldn't be a WEN product if it weren't backed by a 1-year warranty, a friendly customer helpline and a nationwide network of skilled service technicians. The WEN 18-gauge brad nailer, remember when you could get through a job without your nailer constantly jamming up? Remember when. At number 2, we have Ryobi P320 Airstrike 18-volt 1+ lithium-ion brad nailer. Whether you're carrying out some small home improvements, tacking some furniture together or attaching trim to cabinets, brad nailers really are in a league of their own. The Ryobi P320 brad nailer has comparable power to some gas-powered nailers and the convenience of a cordless power tool. Any nailing job you may need to perform around the house, from installing roofing tiles to reinforcing joints, can be accomplished with the P320. On a single charge of a 4 amp-hour battery from Ryobi's 1 Plus system, you can fire up to 700 nails up to 50 mm long. Adjust your depth with an onboard dial so you do not have to worry about fiddling with extra tools. Be sure to see what you are working on with the built-in LED lighting, and keep it handy with the attached belt clip. The Airstrike has a no-mar tip so you won't go scuffing up your wood in order to shave off a few minutes. Pads and bumpers further safeguard your workpiece and mean you can rattle out those brads without fearing for scratches or scuffs. And finally at number 1. Craftsman V20 Cordless Brad Nailer Kit. Craftsman has been placed first on our list. This Craftsman V20 20 volts max *18GA cordless finish nailer's cordless design eliminates the need for compressors, hoses, or costly gas cartridges. The motor delivers consistent power firing in various weather conditions and materials. The extensive runtime on a single battery and fast shot speed allow for less downtime on the job site. The single tool-free depth setting makes adjusting your nail depth quick and simple, while the other tool-free settings make potential nail jams or stalls easy to fix. The cordless finish nailer is lightweight and well-balanced, making this product very comfortable to use for prolonged time. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.